Hello everyone, Joe here with Big Bob's, and today we are going to talk about healthy and fresh solutions for your home. In particular, we are going to focus on antimicrobial flooring. Let's start with Phoenix Microban. All 29-ounce polyester carpets contain Phoenix Microban technology. Pure Back from Dreamweaver is engineered with Ultra Fresh, which protects your carpet from bacteria, fungus, mold, and mildew. Mohawk Air.o. From the surface all the way through to the cushion, Air.o will not absorb any moisture. Over here we have Happy Feet cork base products. Cork, by its very nature, is antimicrobial. Cork shows a bacterial reduction of 97% and has antibacterial properties up to 36%. Cork base products from Happy Feet, Built Right, Extreme Cork Plus, and Mount Everest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Did you find anything you like? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay healthy and well, everyone.